and they're running. As soon as the song starts playing, the timer goes.
Time.
I'm running, baby. Run! Look at me like this. I'm doing it in game. Look, let's run around. Come on, we're running like quackity. Do the bird. Woo! You're not a quitter, are you? You're the bird. Let's go! Come on, keep going! Keep going! I can't! Come on! You're number one!
Guys, I'm an actual demon.
Alright, Paul.
No, like, look. I'll open the demon gate, bro. It's my avatar. I'm an actual demon.
Keep going. Run at top speed for another 5 minutes. You can do this.
Dog, bro! So fuck!
I'm not gonna give up. The wither's right over there. The wither is literally right over there.
Well, why is the horns paint?
You get rid of the fucking wither. Okay, I killed her. Thank you, legend. I have a gift for you. It's on the coffee table. Just for you.
Guys, look, this is so pog. It's definitely so pog.
I'm gonna get that again on this stream. You're gonna do it again right now after I start punching. Alright, I get my sword. Three boys? Let's do it. We're need a local party.
You can watch this. You're not watching it. Look at it. Like, it's the poggest thing in the world. Like, it's the most poggest. So in this case, I might keep this one. I might keep this.
Did you know I actually have that?
Nice.
Pog, am I right?
So which one do you like? Kakashi? Naruto.
Naruto.
The stupid freaking iPhone thing from Kakashi. Stupid is the Kurama thing, what is it? Demon Slayer. Stupid Goku thingy phone. Stupid Goku Lightning God thing. Ultra Instinct God Goku thing. What do you like? Or this?
Got you.
Okay, fine.
Didn't have to make me think twice.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
Hold up. What are you doing? Is that pee? Is that pee?
Delete.
What is that?
Playing.
Alright, what did you
do? Playing.
Is that for money?
Is that for money? Put it in the middle, you keep killing yourself.
I changed my desktop image.
What is
You want to see it?
How am I supposed? I know polarity. Why is it polarity? Yeah, let me see it. Stop killing yourself! Yeah, you keep killing yourself. You're literally almost gonna die.
You like?
I don't see it. Like
You like?
you know,
What? Are you shaking like very like aggressively or something?
what the? Oh my god.
You told me to show my face. I did. I did what you said.
Oh, you don't need to do it in the middle finger.
I never did. You're cool.
Yeah, I did. Look, I was fine. Where? Let's keep right here. You need a lava pool. I probably used a lava pool. Yeah, I'll find one for you. Take your jacket off. No, I'm sweaty. Rip the shirt off. I will if you do. Holy shit, that hurts so much. What did you say? We're going to the nether, baby. Let's go. I've never done this before.
Always put on space, but no middle finger, please.
Oh my god. That's perfect. Now what? Can I take the water? That counted. I'm sorry. I was. You son of a bitch. Hit me twice, so that's fine. No!
Look at my screen. Look at my screen.
Okay, you know.
I literally just like,
There, are you happy?
yes. Let's fucking do it. You always do it.
What?
And the only thing you do, bro. Middle finger. Really. Well, I literally said after the, before the ad, I just said hello Genshin Impact, and did freaking Genshin Impact ad showed up in. Okay, that's a warning.
Why are you watching Sniper Wolf?
They were looking at the
Me?
Stop. How do I make the top parts? I'm running, you son of a bitch. Help me. There you go. You set it up for you. All right, fellas. What's next? Let's do this. Nope. Now light the balls on. Go. All right, where's the nether fucking dragon? I'm gonna kill him right now. Take me to that son of a bitch right now. Like crazy. There's a glitching game where I get all the blaze spots out of nowhere. It's actually called a prayer. All right, let's do the prayer. Come on, let's go. Oh, you want to talk to God? Hello, hi, you can hear me. Okay, hold on. I demand Ender. Lord Jesus Christ, what would you want me to do for you, sir? This is a sacred part of my to share with the world just yet. With prayer. Is that the sound? Lord Jesus Christ, sir. These motherfuckers going to Disney. These motherfuckers can say shit. Let's do this. I got so many. Place rock. Place rock. Oh my god. Ah, we're close to that. Okay. We got this chat. What the hell? What the fuck is this doing? We got this? Alright, sons of bitch. Go. How many blaze rods? How many rods? I have 8. Lead to me, Lord. Let's go. Take me back to Are you kidding me? describe it exactly how it is. If I have the courage within me to do it. I don't know if I have the courage. Straight to the stronghold. Yeah. Oh my god. Come on, just take me to the stronghold. Oh, fuck you. Stop. Yeah, you. What you took damage. Okay, you're right. Okay.
Yeah, like I'm not Minecraft player,
Hey, don't go in yet. Let's do this. Actually, are you ready for the greatest challenge of your life? Yes, it's a total limit. Let's do this. Show at the end of the gonna get that guy. There's an animal chasing you. Oh shit. Right behind you. Zab is helping you. I'm dying.
Why didn't no must survive? Oh shit, man, they're trying to get to the ground. What the hell?
Look at my screen.
I see it.
So why are you using a face cam? Look.
I don't know. You love my beloved.
Die! Boom. Good. Why did you do a good job? Why did he place 1,000 torches?
Me too, bro. Me too. I always get angry during Minecraft, even if it's just one little placement.
Alright, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna destroy some of these crystals. To the left, it's right here. It's pretty high up there. Lower. Yes! Die! Go round. Oh no, it's here. Okay, that's it. Right here, you'll be fine. No! Put your armor on. Put the armor on. I feel confident in my skills. Go down the middle. Okay, just wait and don't jump. Do not jump. Resist. It's the head. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh yes. Tell me when it's in the middle. Now go. No jump. Give me arms. Wait, don't jump. Just hit the head. Don't jump. Do not jump and don't go up. Where's the head? Don't jump. Yes! Oh my god!
Hello? Stop what?
Oh my god! Yes! Chat! We did it! First time I ever beat the game!
But first, they say that you don't get to pick or choose or bigger.
Lemonade hard seltzer. Million likes. Sheesh. Okay, let's go.
And I want fish with it. Like, I want fish.
I can never do. I don't
What
have so
chicken?
much no more food and take away mountain dew. I'm saying, bitch like me, she's saying,
You don't want the...
so if I don't become the killer punch my. I need fixing. Said that I'm skinny and trash and slept when I went missing. Never
That's
worry.
pretty, right?
On my test will disown me. I'm not gonna leave with my aunt, but no cookie.
No cookie. Time to speed watch Darman videos, Paul.
You're not gonna believe it. Our son is gonna be a star athlete.
Wow, it went that well.
Oh well, he only got the final buzzer beater because he won the game.
Hey, Dad. Can you help me with the homework?
No, I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm kind of busy with your brother here. Why didn't you ask Mom?
But I want you to help me.
Aubrey, not right now, okay? We're talking about how well your brother did.
We're talking about how well your brother did.
That is so great.
That's
Good job, Kevin. I've got the report card, so everybody gather around. Okay. Great A's! Oh, good job!
Alright, I'm very proud of you. You know what? Just for this, I'm gonna take you out to ice cream.
Yes.
Good job, you're ready.
Okay, now you're off.
Jeez. And your family? Aubrey, I'm totally disappointed in you. Your brother's getting straight A's.
well, maybe if you stop prioritizing the thought like you do with your son, and you actually helped her do with her homework, she would actually get A's. Okay?
What like you guys? No. You need to learn to do better. No, I'll go to you. No ice cream. Hey, ladies, he's a champion. Aubrey. It's a roast.
Hintay mo na malutong chicken? Hintay mo na malutong chicken? Ayaw mo to? Okay. Bakit?
Mika. You're the one the okay, I don't know if you but that one you were watching, the one with no cookie. I know that one. I can't remember the
Build a oof Asian pyramid.
yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm watching Darman.
Watching the biggie?
I'm watching Darman. Oh. Apologies.
Maybe she'd be a superstar too.
I did not realize that I've been spending so much more time with Kevin and neglected. I feel terrible. I'm such a bad father.
You're not a bad father. I'm
Watch
sure
this.
you'll make it up to her.
Asian Derulo. No ramen. Be my mommy, let me in. Second word, you love me and give no ramen. When I think I know you eat fried chicken, but I still can never any ramen. Can't have no ramen. No.
No ramen. We need that ramen. But you don't give me any ramen. That's broken. That's sad. Depressing. But at least it's not rice.
I should have bought that other purse. Honey, you got a lot of nice things. Which reminds me, I need my credit card back. Oh, of course. Here you go. Actually, I think I'm gonna hang on to it in case I need to buy some more stuff. Okay. Welcome in. Sorry for the wait. Here's your water. It's about time. Talk about bad service. Everly. What? No, you're right. I am so sorry. I'm the only one working today, so we've just been a bit backed up. It's perfectly fine. We understand. I'll take the Mandarin Crunch salad. Excellent choice. And for you?
Just get me the same, but hurry it up. We don't have all day.
You got it. Here you go. Yeah. That wasn't nice.
Who cares? She's just a waitress. I mean, how hard can that job be?
Well, you wouldn't know, would you? You've never worked a day in your life. Whatever. So my friends and I were thinking about going to Hawaii next year. Is that okay? How much is that going to cost?
I don't know. I was planning on using your credit card.
Oh, all right. Here is your salad. Thank you so much. Of course. Enjoy.
Wait a second. Are there sunflower seeds in here?
Yes, they come with the salad you ordered.
Are you trying to kill me? Allergic to sunflower seeds.
Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I had no idea.
Maybe you should have asked. I mean, you have a minute.
Like, what the hell? Then you shouldn't have even ordered that food. You probably would know what's in there. Come on, now.
Wage-paying job. How hard can that be?
Beverly, stop. It's not her fault. I should have never let you order the
Watch
salad.
this.
Spaced out. Her job.
I can't. Untitled Hog. Hold up.
You're not watching it.
Here, what's it called?
It's Bob levitating.
Hold up, my YouTube is like my entire thing is actually. What the hell? Is that Roblox? Or is that, sorry, is that Minecraft?
Yeah.
That's Minecraft. Are you sure?
That's
Wow.
create mod. They're using create mod.
Oh.
This is if levitating was a Kids Bob song. Step 1, become Timmy.
Me! Hey guys, it's Timmy. Dan, write some lyrics that are kid friendly. Dan, make the instrumental sound trash. If you're feeling not too well, then make sure to go see the nurse and drink some cold or hot water. Or some tea, maybe some ice cream. And when you're good, go celebrating. Go get some cake. Don't keep on waiting. Yeah. Wait, this tastes like piss.
Oh my god. Yes, not a bop at all. Yes, what you said.
It's definitely not a mod.
No, I lost it. No. Darn man, you showed me the video I was watching, please.
Get back. Get Timmy.
Oh, I found it.
SkinCeuticals. Welcome to a brighter day. A new dawn for skin science.
Wow.
Daily brightening. Another person too.
Honey, you got a lot of nice things.
Don't make excuses for her, Mom. Hard can that be?
Beverly, stop. It's not her fault. I should have never let you order the salad. I spaced out. Her job is hard enough. Besides, you didn't eat any. You're fine.
Don't make excuses for her, Mom.
Ah,
Bring me another salad, and I expect you to remove this from the bill for the inconvenience.
I'm so sorry. How could you treat her like that?
You wouldn't want anybody to treat you like that, would you? Oh, please. She should know how to do her job. It's not rocket science.
That was good. Here's your change. Thank you so much for coming in. And again, I truly apologize for the mix-up. I Don't even worry about it. It wasn't a problem. And all of this is for you. Really? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
What? No. She took forever with her order and then tried to poison me.
watch it.
Give that back.
Yeah.
Fine.
What's what?
Asian bukti.
Asian whoopty. Whooping from the outside, I am hurting. No, no, moving. She told me that she is moving. I got to figure out how to make schooling. Some mommy thinks that I am disappointing. Said I can help them in orange. Go. I'll find my new home in library. Sure. Oh.
You want a tipper? Then here. And you should be thankful.
Where?
That's a lot more than you even deserve. Beverly! What? No, it's okay. It's totally fine. She couldn't even do her simple job right. You know, being a waitress isn't easy. You never know how hard someone's job is until you do it yourself. Oh yeah? And how would you know? Because I used to be one. Before I started my business, how do you think we were paying the bills? By me waiting tables, that's how. Really? Ew. Well, it's a good thing you're money now, so I'll never have to worry about doing that. And that is the problem. I am taking my credit card back. How am I supposed to pay